What's going on, everyone? Got a 22 Ford Explorer. I'm gonna show you how to get to your cabin filter and pull it out. I'm just checking this one out today, but what we're gonna need to do is lower this glove box door. First step is gonna be to go to the damper here, and we're gonna pull up, okay, until we hear it snap, and that's gonna allow us to disconnect it, okay? If you look at it, it's just a slotted hole. Now, there's stoppers on the sides here that we're gonna have to push in to get the glove box to come down, okay? Pretty simple. All right. So the cabin filter is in this compartment here, and you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver to undo these two screws. There's one over here too before the door will open up. All right, so once you get the Phillips screws out, then we can unlatch the door. We're gonna push this tab out, and then we can pull the door towards us. Same thing on this side, there's a little tab right here. I'm gonna push that outwards, and it's gonna let us have the door. Here's the cabin filter here. Just gonna grab it. It's kind of hard to get a good grip on. Just pull it on out. This one is pretty clean, I can already tell. If you need one, look at the description box. I'm gonna leave a part number for the new cabin filter and a link that'll take you to Amazon if you want to buy one. But this one here, I think we're gonna let it go for a couple more oil changes before we replace it. So I'll just put this guy back. When you install your new one, you want to make sure that you see how it says airflow here, that you put your new one in exactly the same way, okay? Your new filter will note that also. We're just gonna go ahead and put the door back on here. It should just click right on, like so. Put the screws back in. Okay, now once you have the screws back in, all you have to do is just close the glove box like that, and it'll stay right up. And then go over here to the damper, put it right in, push it down, it should click, and we're all done. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe.